New chicken meet and greet. Here we go. I got a Barred Rock rooster in here, black and white. And a couple of girls. A couple of hens. Come on out, everybody. This is your new home. Come on. Come on. Don't be chickens now. What are you, a chicken or something? Y'all don't want to come out? Really? I see how it is. Meanwhile, my girls are hiding in the side shed over here. They don't want any part of this. Come on out. Come get a drink of water. Eat some food. Come on. Come on. This is your new home. You're just going to hang out in there? Seriously? Come out. Bunch of wimps. Come on. You didn't come out? Yeah, come on out and meet your new family. There's one. Come on. My two hens over there are 3 years old. This one was probably born this year. She's as big as or bigger than them now. He probably eat more than mine do. Come on out. Come on. Come on. Another one. Those two are about identical. They're the same kind of hen. Okay, your turn, bud. Come on, I gotta hose this out. One of y'all pooped in there. Come on, him or the other rooster that we're undecided about. Alright, we're dumping you, pal. We're dumping you. Come be with your ladies. Come on, man. Go say hi. Go say hi to your new family. It's okay. You'll get along. You'll learn to get along eventually. Come on. It's okay. The two in there I hatched here. They're my last two second generation hens. Their father lived to be almost 15 years old. All his sons have since died because of raccoons. Technically one was hit by a car, but it was because the raccoon was chasing the raccoon. Come on, guy. Come on, everything's okay. Come on out. Come out and see the girls. Come on. You can't stay in there all day, bud. I gotta take care of my goats. I got stuff to do. Come on, man. It's okay, pal. It's okay. Come on. Come on out. It's okay. It's okay. Come out. One way or another, you're coming out. I guess not. I got it standing straight up and he's hanging on. Please come out. You know how long this video is going to take to upload? There's food and water out here for you, pal. Huh? Come on. Come on. You're a little bit smaller than everybody else at the moment. I'm sweating buckets here. I want to get out of here. Guy, come on. I got a broken rib. I don't want to... Come on. I don't want to hurt myself here. He's a little guy. Oh, look at him. He's just a little guy. He's probably only 3 months old. Come on, go be with the girls. Okay? They'll take care of you. Go say hi. Come on, there's two of your girls are here that you're on the farm with them. There's only 2 new ones you got to meet. Go say hi. It's okay. Everything will be fine. Look at the dust masking around the, pushing some stuff out of here. There's a lot of feathers in there and a lot of composted dirt and poop, sawdust. See? Everything's okay. Everything's okay. Now that raccoon comes by, we're going to catch it. Okay? We're going to put some lunch meat in that trap. That's how we caught the mama one. And of course, there's going to be more raccoons. But yeah, we're gonna try to fight them off, and hopefully no more of y'all will get picked off. I did a lot of work on this coop. There might be some future access points to worry about, but I think we're safe right now. Everything's gonna be okay, okay? Hey! 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 Stop that! Hey! Don't do that! Hey! Alright, Justin's got to come and get his girls back. Stop beating on my hands! Well, this didn't go well. You're an asshole. Stop it. Well, this is the way it's gonna be. You're out of here. Settle down. Holy hell, that was not nice. That was not nice. You okay? I'm gonna have to get that one out of here. If this is gonna be a recurring problem, we're gonna have to get that one out of here. Don't be mean to my girls. I mean it. This isn't gonna go well. What's the problem, huh? Trying to assert your dominance? You want this to be your turf now? Y'all gotta be together because you're gonna have to worry about raccoons. Stop being a jerk. Don't do that again. I'll just pull you outside. You could be the bait. You want that to happen? You, Bard Rock, protect my girls. Don't let this one do that again. Okay? That was not nice. That was not nice. Shame on you. I'm gonna have to send you back. You're gonna be a jerk, I'm gonna send your ass back. Do you want me to send you back? You wanna go back over there, Justin? Huh? I'll put you back over there. I can't guarantee he won't make a stew out of you. You're safe here. Unless raccoons get you. Stop being such a bitch. I mean it. Don't do that again. You leave her alone. Okay? There's plenty of space here for all of you. A freaking walk-in coop is basically a small barn. She's like, this town's not big enough for the both of us, Betty Sue. I'm gonna slap the crap out of you. Enough of that. No more picking on her. I mean it. We'll put this on YouTube so everybody can see what an asshole you are.